Air Innovations makes some great humidifiers, but this particular model has one issue, and that is it's difficult to fill, especially if you have weak wrists, arthritis. You've got to try and hold it with one hand while you fill it with distilled water. Now this holds 1.7 gallons of water, which with the unit itself included, it's about almost 30 pounds, which is difficult to hold up. So I put together a small 3D printed stand, which you can turn it upside down and holds it nice and steadily while you're filling with water. Keeps both hands free, it's rigid, and it stops the top from falling over. It should actually come with a stand like this, but for some reason the company doesn't supply it, but it would be a good idea. Now I'm only putting 1 gallon in just to show you this video or to do this demonstration, but normally you'd put almost 2 gallons in there. Makes everything so much easier than trying to wrestle with the unit, slipping around on the surface and water spilling everywhere. Even with just this 1 gallon, it's still quite a hefty piece to move around. As I say, this unit should come with a stand like this. It would make it so much easier, especially for older people with, as I say, arthritis or something like that. It would make it much more stable and easier to use.